Here's your forecast from the Channel 2 Weather Team and click2houston.com.
We've talked about how this is Alicia ramping up quickly, not much time to prepare. And Allison in terms of the rain that's going to dump. And now let's compare it to Carla. This is the strongest storm to hit the Texas coast since Carla in 1961. And Carla hit in the same place, Port Aransas and Rockport. 140-mile-an-hour winds with that, 130-mile-an-hour winds with this one. This is going to be one for the books, no question, and it's just getting started. There's a look as the eye of this storm moves right into the Rockport area. It is going to continue to move into this region as we go right in to track this. Here's a look, and you can see this whole area in the Rockport region, 130-mile-an-hour winds, and we're just getting the 10 o'clock advisory right there. So 160-mile-an-hour wind gust with this system as it moves on through. It is currently moving to the northwest at 7 miles per hour. There's a look. We've got 4, 2, and then 1, and here's what's remarkable. I just want to get out of the way there to show you this, but here's what's remarkable. It's hitting Rockport now. It's going to move off to the north as a Category 2, settle down to a 1, and then look what happens. It comes back in and hits Rockport again as a tropical storm, and then if this loop continues, moves across Galveston Bay or Matagorda Bay toward the Houston area, hitting downtown as we go into Wednesday. Wind gusts right now are up into the 50, 60-mile-an-hour range. These are sustained, but we're not getting them down where the storm is hitting because those wind gauges are gone. In the meantime, we're getting these winds of 48, 54-mile-an-hour winds there. So these feeder bands, which have produced all kinds of tornado warnings, have continued and continue at this hour with tornado warnings that are still in effect here in parts of Brazoria as well as into Fort Bend County. Here's the problem. Exact track radar shows these showers right now, and there's what we have currently. This is what I'm concerned about. This is one of our future casts, and we're going to go over a lot of them coming up. But when I put this in motion, you'll notice these feeder bands go right into the Houston area overnight tonight with heavy rain continuing into tomorrow, and that's just the beginning, because with this system moving so slowly, we could see a 40-inch bullseye around Victoria and easily 15 to 20 inches of rain into the Houston area.